We still have one video presentation from Mr. Syed, Atiq, Hassan, who are not able to present physically here. He's the founding director of Halal Expo Australia, journalist, writer, speaker in the topic of the role of AI in Halal industry. I think the video is ready. Yeah, okay, please.
Dear brothers and sisters, audience, listeners, Assalaam from Sydney, Australia. I believe my topic of this conference, the role of artificial intelligence in halal industry, is very interesting and timely. To start with global halal industry profile, the halal industry is one of the fastest growing sectors globally, valued not only for its religious significance, but also for its alignment with ethical, sustainable, and health conscious consumer values. It caters to over 1.9 billion Muslims worldwide and increasingly attracts non Muslims seeking quality and ethically produced products. But with the growth comes challenges, which are meeting compliance standards, maintaining transparency, and addressing the expectations of a diverse and global customer base. To tackle these challenges and seize emerging opportunities, the halal industry must embrace innovation. Artificial intelligence (AI) offers a transformative solution, enabling halal businesses to innovative, optimize, and lead in competitive global market. Let's explore how AI is reshaping this dynamic sector. So let's look at a snapshot of the global halal industry. The halal economy has grown exponentially in recent years. According to the State of the Global Islamic Economic Report 2023-24, consumer spending in halal market reaching $2.29 trillion in 2022, a significant leap from 1.2 trillion in 2012. This growth spans multiple sectors including food and beverages, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, fashion and styles, and finance and investment. Now, what drives this growth? Demographics, consumer trends, and global expansion. However, to meet rising demand and maintain consumer trust, halal businesses must adapt to new challenges. This is where AI comes a game changer. Now, what AI brings to the table? AI has transitioned from a futuristic concept to a practical tool that arrives efficiency, innovative, and growth. For halal industry, AI offers solutions in 6 key areas, which I am going to mention now. Number 1, transforming halal certification. In this regard, obtaining halal certification involves rigorous processes, including inspections, audits, and documentation. AI simplifies and enhances these steps, like automating compliance checks, real-time monitoring, and blockchain integration. For instance, a halal food producer could use AI to verify each ingredient's compliance automatically, reducing human errors and speeding up certification. Number 2, enhancing quality control in production. In this regard, AI urges that halal products meet the highest standards of quality and safety. These are detecting contaminants, optimizing production lines, and predictive maintenance. The translates to safer, more reliable products for consumers and greater efficiency for businesses. Now, number 3, revolutionizing supply chain management or revolutionizing supply chain management. To halal supply chain is complex, involving farmers, manufacturers, logistic providers, and retailers. AI enhances transparencies and efficiency by improving traceability, optimizing logistics, and fraud detection. As a case study, Malaysia has implemented AI-driven supply chain tools, enabling better traceability and compliance throughout its real ecosystem. Number 4, personalizing market and consumer insight. AI enables halal businesses to better understand and engage their audience by creating target campaigns, monitoring social sentiments, and personalized recommendations. This results in a stronger consumer relationship and higher engagement. Number 5, accelerating research and development. Innovation is essential to meet evolving consumer demands. AI facilitates faster and smarter research and development by identifying halal alternatives, optimizing recipes, and predicting market trends. This approach positions halal businesses at the forefront on innovation. Now, number 6, supporting halal finance and investment. The halal finance sector, governed by Sharia principles, benefit from AI in automating compliance, enhancing risk assessment, and improving customer services. Now, in relation to the opportunities and challenges, while AI offers immense benefits, its adoption comes with challenges, that is cultural sensitivity, implementation cost, and data privacy. Overcoming these challenges will require collaboration with halal industry stakeholders, tech providers, and policy makers. The case in point is Malaysia's leadership in halal artificial intelligence, AI. Malaysia is a shining example of how AI can elevate the halal industry. Through government initiatives and private sector collaboration, the country has integrated AI into certification, production, and supply chain processes, setting a global standard for innovative in the halal market. Therefore, the conclusion is this, that the future of halal industry will be heavily dependable with AI for its competitive success globally. Having said that, please keep in mind, AI is not just a tool. It is a necessary for the halal industry to stay competitive, transparent, and innovative. By integration AI into certification, quality control, supply chains, marketing, research and development, and finance, halal businesses can meet growing consumer demand, enhance operational efficiency, and build stronger trust and with customers. Build strong trust with customers. The halal industry is poised for a transformative future. Embracing AI will now ensure its growth, sustainability, and leadership on a global scale. Call to action is to all halal industry leaders that the time to act is Now, let's leverage AI to drive halal economy forward, ensuring we meet the needs of a diverse growing global market. Together, we can build a future where halal stands for innovation, quality, and trust. Thank you very much, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen. Allah Hafiz from Sydney, Australia.
Right.